Good morning, guys. It is now already 9:20. I'm preparing my breakfast. This is going to be just a hard scrambled egg. Oh, I'm also going to heat a little bit of this bulgogi. This is the only rice I have. So tomorrow we're going to the grocery. Yeah, I'm going to work now. It's still early. My duty today is at 2 o'clock. But I'm going to bike around first. There are many people actually, more than the usual. Nice weather, huh? This is already my fourth day of riding the bike again. Actually, in the night after work, I was feeling lazy to ride the bike. Because usually after work, I get out of the workplace and I stay in the car, just sitting down there for a little bit, maybe 10-15 minutes. Yeah, just relaxing. But yeah, with this bike, I can't do that. I think driving fast coming from up there to down there is really good. Yeah, but yeah, I can't really do that because from time to time there are people, so dangerous. And actually that's why I stopped here, because there is one lady. Okay, she's gone. The weather, the temperature is just good today. Not very hot. There is a little wind. Yeah, there's just a couple on that far side sunbathing. Oh, there are more on the far side. Nice. Yeah, beautiful. It looks clean today. Maybe the council, they clean it. You'll notice that it's clean through this walkway. Oh, there is one Suzuki Jimny. That's the same car that I saw yesterday. Oh, they are camping. Nice. Yeah, this is the Suzuki Jimny. It is now 1:02 and I stop here for a little bit. And we are now here in the park. We're just going to sit yeah, that side. I actually have crackers in here. Yeah, sky flakes. Oh, this. And this is what I'm going to eat while having my coffee. And yeah, that's it. It is now 1:47, so I have just around over 10 minutes to start my duty. I still need to change with my uniform. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is already 11 o'clock. I am editing a video and now I'm hungry. I'm going to eat. Oh, actually, I am going first to the grocery. Yeah, because I don't have anything. I don't have any more rice. Actually, this rice is not enough. Yeah, this is the last rice that I have left over from yesterday. Also empty. I have just this bulgogi. Only this. And egg. And just bread and cheese. And my laundry. I'm also doing my laundry. I needed to place this dryer outside so that the moist will go outside. Yeah, and that dryer was given to me by Chef Matt. And at the moment it is at 29% rendering. Yeah, by the time I come back, I will be able to upload it. I mentioned to you in the previous days that yeah, this glass, this can't be open or closed without switching the engine on. Yeah, and I saw that there are some comment from Pillow Chimney owners that yeah, they can actually close open this glass, this window, by just switching the electronics of the car. I tried this morning, but yeah, it really doesn't work for me. I really need to switch on the engine, not just the infotainment or the electronics, but the engine. And another thing, I tried to leave the glass, the window open, yeah, to check if I can close it via remote, but also it's not working. And as usual, I am recording the range that I did. The time now is 11:13. Oh, just now I realized that I forgot my mobile phone. Yeah, my phone is my wallet, my money. Good thing is I bring this pouch and I have my wallet here. Yeah, so I'm going to pay normally, not with the phone. I'm going to buy rice. As usual, this is the 5 kg and this is $12.50. The other rice are on sale, like basmati, this thing, but yeah, I prefer jasmine rice. Just like this one, this long grain white rice, $15, 50%, $7.50. Yeah, 5 kg. But I prefer my satisfaction than the discount. And I'm getting one of this chicken. Yeah, this is $12 roasted chicken. Also this bok choy. This is $2.90. Expensive now. Before it's just $2.50. But it's alright.
Follow the pin pad prompts to finalize your payment. Do you wish to print a receipt?
It is really more convenient to pay using a mobile phone. Yeah, with the card or with money, you always need to open your wallet. I actually don't know how much I paid for the total. Yeah, it's okay. I'm going to see it in the video when I'm editing it. The time now is 11:27. Okay, we are home. It is now already 40 minutes, 20 minutes to 11 o'clock. 12 o'clock. I'm going to eat this rice now. And in case you don't know, this plastic is resealable. You can close it again and eat it later. Okay, so this is my lunch. Okay, my laundry is done. Yeah, it's dry. I'm going to fold it later because I need to take a shower. Also, I need to cut my hair because yesterday chefs noticed my hair that, oh Robbie, your hair is long now. Yeah, I said I'm going to cut my hair tomorrow, chef. At work, I am usually wearing a head cap, but yesterday I forgot to wear a head cap. That's why chef noticed my hair is long. And I am not going to forget my head cap today because I have it here now. And I am going to be driving today because I have limited time.